The bar graph on the following slide shows median household income for Asians and Pacific Islanders in the United States. Now you can see from this graph that for the year 2001, there were $53,635 associated with the income for Asians and Pacific Islanders for that particular year, 2001. In 2007, the median household income for this group of people was $66,103. Use the information for the years 2001 and 2007 to find an equation that models the data. Let x equal 1 represent 2001, x equals 7 represent 2007, and y represent the median income. Write the equation in slope-intercept form. Now I've listed the information here as two sets of coordinates, with 1 representing the year 2001 and 7 representing the year 2007. So we'll use the formula for slope. Slope is equal to the difference in the y values, y2 minus y1, over the difference in the x values, which is x2 minus x1. And that gives us 66,103 minus 53,635 over 7 minus 1. Now putting that information into our calculator, we get 12,468 in the numerator over 6, and that's equal to 2,078. So our slope here is 2,078. Now, in order to find an equation that represents this information, we'll put it in point-slope form. By starting out with y minus y1 is equal to the slope m times x minus x1. All right, so y, and just a point to make here, it really doesn't matter which one of these points we use. I've chosen the first one, but the second point would work just as well. Y minus 53,635 is equal to the slope of 2,078 times x minus 1. Now what we'll want to do is we will distribute the 2,078 over the set of parentheses, so we get 2,078x minus 2,078. And now it's a matter of adding the 53,635 to both sides, giving us y is equal to 2,078x plus 51,557. Use the equation from Part A to approximate median household income for 2005 to the nearest dollar. How does your result compare against the actual value of $61,094? This is the equation that we found in Part A. Now we want to evaluate this equation for 2005, which means that x is equal to 5. So we'll plug 5 into our formula, 2,078 times 5 plus 51,557, which gives us a value of $61,947, which is slightly more than the actual amount.